Alright traders, I am back again with another video, and in this video I want to do a couple things. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go over I'm going to show you guys the EOS trade that we talked about and discussed, and some members took this trade as we had our session, our cryptocurrency session. But what I want to do, I want to show you what we were talking about with EOS US dollar and what happened with that trade and where it went to. I also want to let you know that we're having our weekly crypto webinar sessions every Friday. We will have a crypto session where we will discuss the markets, and we'll do the same things that you're seeing today in the video that we're going to be doing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, this is where we were talking about the EOS US dollar, and then right now I'm going to take you back to that video and show you exactly what we talked about, and then I'm going to come here back again and show you exactly where price went and what we looked at and what we looked for. Alright, but again, we're starting our new crypto webinar series every Friday, and I want to invite you to become a member of my website to be able to attend those sessions. So continue to watch the video and let you know how to be able to become a member. You could become a lifetime member with a one-time payment. Just become a lifetime member and attend every crypto session, every forex session, every stock session, and every course we have, you'll have access to. All right, so just want to give you that opportunity. So let's continue. Now before we get started with the video, I just want to let you see what you get the offer for the lifetime membership. Basically, you'll be able to become a member, and you'll be able to attend that session on Friday and every session afterwards. But here you come to my website, www.fxatOneglance.com, and click join to become a member, and this is your lifetime membership, and you can see basically what it will offer to you. Pay that one-time fee, give you unlimited access to everything. Alright, so this is the opportunity that I'm offering right now, and a lot of members can tell you that this course, these sessions, this membership has truly helped them, and I can pretty much guarantee that. Alright, so that's what you get. Next thing I want you to do is look at the video of the trade setup that we had with EOS US dollar, see what we discussed. And we were basic in this video, just basic Ichimoku, but we do much more than just trading basic Ichimoku. Alright, trade a lot of fractals. I want to teach you really how to trade fractals, keep you on the right side of the market, and get you in some very great trades. Alright, so let's look at this. So looking at the EOS US dollar, same thing, same situation. Just want to make sure of our levels, because you could see again we got a TK crossover that's bullish right here. Angulation, no angulation. You got a little bit of angulation on the cloud still. I'm waiting to see if this level is going to hold, okay, and then get our bounce off of -80. As I told you, this is a nice indication where the market's going to, if you're going to get that momentum to the upside, because this shows, like, when we break -80, that's showing us there's momentum to the downside for sure. But once we break back above -80, we're starting to lose that momentum, and that's what we want to see when we're trading a trend that's bullish. We don't want to see that downside momentum continue. We want to see it stop, break back to the upside, and then we could get into our trades. All right, and we get into our trades at a level. So I wouldn't just look at saying, oh, the market drops down below -80. As soon as it breaks back above, I'm going to get into a trade. No, that's not the idea. The idea is first to have your level. Make sure the market's at your level, and then you look at that kind of stuff. All right, because basically if the market's not at a level, anything could happen, because levels are where the market is. It's like a train station. The market pulls into a train station, and that's where you want to get on the train. You don't want to get on in between the train station. All this moving to the downside from here all the way down, you really didn't know where to get into the market, so you have to find the level to get into the market. And once you find that level, that's where you get into the market. You don't just jump in here because the market's moving to the downside, all right, because it could reverse on you at any point. but when you have a level, it kind of gives you a little bit more probability for your trade. All right, so that's the same thing we have here. We're just looking at a cadence and bounce here, quite possibly. Now, when I'm trading, I have other levels that I look at and get stronger, higher probability trades. But basic Ichimoku, we're just looking at a cadence and bounce here. And we were looking for the cadence and bounce here. All right, so looking at that bounce, and then the way that we're going to look for our targets is we're going to use the 1, 2, 3 formation. Now, we didn't know this was a 3, but as you learn and understand how I'm trading, because I'm trading levels, so basically when I'm setting up a trade, I need a level, signal, and trigger. I know exactly where I want to trade before the market gets to that point. So I use my levels, because once the market gets to that level, then I use that to my advantage. And the biggest levels that I trade are fractal levels, guys. So I really want to be able to help you to learn how to trade these fractal levels, which are very important. But at this time, we're just showing the cadence and bounce trade. So the trades that I mainly focus on are my fractals, my cadence and bounce, and my tinkins and bounce trade. Those are the main trades that I focus on, and I get more than enough of those trades looking at all of the assets that I'm trading. So what we looked at in that video was looking for the bounce opportunity here. So we know that we wanted to take that trade, and we would set that trade up. We were looking to take that trade at this level. All right. So then when we're talking about our target and our stop loss, basically our target was here. We found our target by using the fib extension tool. Now, when we look for our target, it's going to be this first level, 1-to-1 ratio, 8.0941. The market gives you a lot of 1-to-1 ratio moves, all right? And that's how you can use these as your targets. And it's just a 1, 2, 3 formation. Now with Ichimoku, this is your observation theory. These are the levels that you would use. Now this 1-to-1 ratio, that's one of Ichimoku levels for observation theory, but also that's just a measured move, a 1-to-1 move, AB equals CD move. Now the rest of these levels are more advanced Ichimoku levels here, all right? So you have your N level, your T level, your R level, and V levels. So you're looking at these levels, and these are going to be the points where you're going to be looking for your targets. All right. So let me go ahead and move this and show you exactly what happened, and we'll go to where the market is now. So our target was here at this 8.0941. Then you could see we got triggered on that trade. And the thing about it, guys, is you're using not just Tinkinson as your stop loss level, but you could also use your fractal levels as your stop loss level. Now look, we got triggered right into our level right here. All right, so the market moved right into our level, the 1-to-1 ratio. So all that is AB equals CD. And you'll be like, how do we know this was C? You don't have to know that yet, because every level that we set at is going to be a 3 level, period. That's where we're trading, is the 3 levels. So you're at a 1, 2, 3, 4. And the market likes to move in these N waves. Let me draw it out for you. The market likes to move in N waves. All right. So every time you get a move, the market's moving in these N waves. You could find it throughout your whole chart, which would be a 1, 2, 3 move. And so the 1, 2, 3 is a 1, 2, 3 continuation, which would give us 4 up to this level, this 1-to-1 ratio level right here. All right. So that will give you your 1, 2, 3, 4, because 1 and 2, from 1 to 2 is going to be the same distance as 3 and 4. And that's how you find that target. All right. Now you also shoot for these targets and then these targets. And what I like to do here, when I get to this level, I don't automatically take profit. I could take some profit, but I don't automatically. And I like to use price action, so I would set up to see if the market's going to violate that level. I would move my stop loss all the way up to that point, and see if I can continue to make profit at that point. All right. Let's see what the market does here. it would have taken me out there and I would have made that profit. And now we get another opportunity to get into another trade as the market pulls back to one of our very main levels. So we had two great trading opportunities in here, guys. And I want to show you how to catch these trades every Friday, how to catch these crypto trades. And during the week, as crypto trades pop up, I want to show you those trades, and I want to be able to help you to get into those trades. All right. So if you want to learn how to trade cryptos using Ichimoku, not only Ichimoku, but also fractals, support and resistance, and other technical indicators, guys, I can help you with that. So just come to my site, as I said, www.fx@oneglance, and I'm offering that lifetime membership. All right, I'm going to show you really quickly, and then I'm going to end the video session here. So this is my website here, and you can see we're offering that one-time payment of $250 for a lifetime membership. And this is my whole website. This will end on Sunday. All right, so you have the opportunity to become a member and get into the session for Friday. And then this offer is going to end on Sunday. Sunday at the stroke of 12, I will end this opportunity for you to become a lifetime member with a one-time fee of $250. Then at that point, it'll be just a one-year membership instead of a lifetime membership, but for the same price, but you only get access for 1 year. All right, so hopefully, guys, you take up that offer, and I'd like to see you become a member. And if I can help you in any way, I'm here for you. My members will tell you I do this from the heart. I'm dedicated to helping you, and I'm sure mostly every member will tell you that they've had success here, and everything that they learned, they've helped to improve their trading. So I'm sure that they will tell you that. You may have a few that maybe not, but I think the large majority of my members will tell you that this has really helped them, and I'm sure I can help you also. All right, guys, until next time, God bless. Have a great one.